It's really good to see you guys again tonight. Hopefully, I find you guys in a good state of mind and then ready to learn together with the rest of the classmates. All right. So, today we are going to learn about the new chapter, guys. Okay. So, since we already finished everything, the grammar, and then all those exercises last week for chapter 17. So we start with a new chapter, which is chapter 18. This starting today, okay? So let me share the material first. Okay. All right, there you go. So this is chapter 18, guys. Chapter 18. All right, chapter 18 is the conversation about this is about conversation that happening when you are meeting other people, okay? Like you never know them before, okay? All right, so I'm going to read the whole conversation, translate it to Indonesian, so that way you guys have a better understanding what they are talking about. That way, they be easier for you guys to pronounce it, and also having the correct what do you call the intonation, everything when you are doing role plays. All right, any question you might type on the chat. Okay, so let me start. Okay, give me one moment. The situation is a seminar on management is held at the Hilton Hotel. Toms and Anna are among the many attendants. They try to strike a conversation during break time. Okay. Sebuah seminar tentang manajemen diadakan di Hotel Hilton dan Tom dan Anna adalah sebagai pesertanya. Oke, kemudian mereka berusaha untuk terlibat dalam suatu percakapan saat istirahat. Oke. Now listen to what they're talking. Okay, how they start a conversation. All right. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm Anna. This is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Yes, I like it. Prentice Hall always delivers good seminars. All of its speakers are very well known and also very knowledgeable in the subject matter. Did you attend the seminar on leadership in Long Beach last January? No, I missed that one. Who was the speaker? John Miller. He's the author of The 7 Habits of a Good Leader. It was a great seminar. John gave us tons of information on how to deal with employees. You should sign up for the seminar next year. I will. I'm very interested in the subject of leadership. I was promoted to the position of supervisor a few months ago, and I have to manage a staff of 10 people. It can be quite a difficult situation sometimes. It is the reason why I am here today. Same here. I only have 7 people reporting to me, yet sometimes I feel like pulling my hair out. I need to find a way to create harmony and cooperation within my department. I also need to learn how to better manage my workload. I always run out of time. It seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter. You need to sign up for the Learn How to Delegate seminar. It is coming next month. Let's see whether I have any free time next month. I know sometime next month I will have to go to Texas on a business trip. By the way, What is your company doing? Oh, we produce office equipment such as calculators and fax machines. How about yours? We are in the service business. We specialize in repairing computers. How was the business lately? It is pretty slow right now. Just like any other company, we are quite affected by the slowing economy. Business is slow with my company too. However, people are saying that it should pick up anytime now. Let's hope so. We need to keep up our employees busy. I have some very talented employees and I would like to keep their minds sharp. They tend to be bored when things slow down and that is not good. Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. The day seems so long. I hate that types of days. Luckily, it is not that bad in our company. Besides, we are in the process of updating our computer system and we can use this slow period to finish the process. Oh, good for you. Oh, it's 10:30 a.m. already. I guess our break time is over. The topic of the next session, how to make positive impression on others and gain visibility and influence in the workplace seems to be really interesting. We better not miss any part of it. Let's get back to our seats so that we can learn how to bring out the best in ourselves as well as our employees. Okay, so that's the short conversation happening between Tom and Anna during the break time. Let me translate it. Jadi seminar tentang manajemen ini diadakan di Hotel Hilton. Kemudian Tom dan Anna adalah di antara peserta, menjadi pesertanya. Kemudian mereka berusaha untuk melakukan percakapan saat istirahat. Tom berkata, "Hai, saya Tom." Kemudian Ana berkata, "Saya Ana." Oke. Nah, Tom berkata, "This is a pretty good seminar." Ini seminarnya bagus ya. Seminarnya bagus ya. Kemudian Ana jawab, "Ya, saya suka seminarnya." Prentice Hall itu adalah suatu manajemen yang penyelenggara seminar tersebut. Prentice Hall selalu mengadakan seminar yang bagus-bagus. Seminar yang diadakan oleh Prentice Hall itu bagus, kira-kira bagus-bagus. Para pembicaranya tuh sangat terkenal dan sangat ahli dalam bidangnya. Apakah kamu hadir di seminar tentang kepemimpinan di Long Beach? Long Beach adalah sebuah kota yang diadakan Januari kemarin. Oh, kemudian Tom berkata, "Oh tidak, saya tidak hadir." Siapa pembicaranya? Pembicaranya adalah John Miller. Dia adalah pengarang dari buku Seven Habits of a Good Leader. Oke. Seminarnya sangat bagus. John memberikan kami banyak informasi dan banyak informasi tentang bagaimana harus mengatasi para pekerja. Kamu harus daftar untuk seminar tersebut tahun depan. Kemudian Tom berkata, ya pasti, oke, pasti saya akan daftar. Saya sangat tertarik dengan masalah kepemimpinan. Saya barusan naik jabatan menjadi supervisor beberapa bulan yang lalu dan saya harus membawahi 10 orang staff. Oke. Terkadang kondisinya itu sangat agak sulit. Itulah alasan saya hadir dalam seminar hari ini. Give me one moment, guys. Oke. Kemudian Ana berkata, oh sama dengan saya. Saya membawahi 7 orang, oke. Maksudnya dia harus dia mempunyai bawahan sebanyak 7 orang yang harus melaporkan kepada saya. Tapi terkadang saya seperti saya merasa stres, oke. I feel like pulling my hair out itu seperti stres, oke. Karena tidak bisa mengatasi kondisinya. Kemudian saya harus mencari jalan agar terjadi keharmonisan dan kerjasama yang baik di dalam departemen saya. Oke. Kemudian Tom berkata, saya juga perlu untuk mempelajari bagaimana untuk memanage kerja saya. Terkadang saya selalu kehabisan waktu. Oke, sepertinya hari itu setiap hari itu semakin pendek, maksudnya 24 jam itu seperti kelihatan pendek gitu loh, tidak cukup waktunya. Oke, kira-kira begitu. Kemudian Ana berkata, kamu perlu daftar untuk seminar Learn How to Delegate. Oke, seminar tentang bagaimana harus mendelegasikan. Oke, kemudian seminarnya itu diadakan bulan depan. Kemudian dia berkata, oke, saya akan mengecek bila saya ada waktu luang bulan depan. Karena sepertinya bulan depan saya harus ke Texas untuk perjalanan bisnis. Kemudian Ana berkata, ini omong-omong perusahaanmu itu berkecimpung dalam bidang apa? Oh, kami memproduksi perlengkapan kantor seperti kalkulator dan fax machine. Bagaimana dengan perusahaanmu? Kami berkecimpung dalam bidang jasa, yaitu spesialisasi dalam perbaikan komputer. Kemudian Tom berkata, bagaimana kondisi bisnisnya akhir-akhir ini. Kemudian Ana berkata, ya agak sepi katanya. Seperti perusahaan yang lain juga, perusahaan kami itu terpengaruh juga dengan ekonomi yang melamban. Oke, kemudian Tom berkata, ya sama, perusahaan kami juga agak sepi. Namun orang-orang berkata bahwa perekonomian ini akan mulai bangkit lagi. Kemudian akan mulai bangkit lagi menjadi ramai. Oke. Ya kita berharap demikian. Kita berharap demikian pula. Kita perlu untuk membuat pegawai kita itu menjadi busy, menjadi sibuk, kira-kira gitu ya. Ya, kemudian Tom berkata, ya saya itu memiliki para pekerja yang berbakat dan saya harus membuat mereka itu tetap maksudnya keep their minds sharp, itu tetap terlatih terus. Jadi maksudnya itu dia keahliannya itu terlatih terus menjadi lebih baik dan baik. Oke. Mereka cenderung menjadi bosan bila lambat. Maksudnya bila perusahaannya itu sepi, dan kemudian dan itu suatu hal yang tidak baik. Betul katanya si Anai, ya. Tidak ada yang lebih tidak ada yang lebih membuat stres hanya Kalau maksudnya gini, kalau duduk saja itu, duduk diam itu, tidak melakukan apa-apa itu adalah sesuatu yang sangat membuat stres. Oke, hari-hari berjalan sangat lambat. Oke, kemudian Tom berkata, ya saya tidak suka hari-hari yang begitu. Untungnya di perusahaan kami itu tidak seburuk itu. Kemudian juga kami saat ini sedang mengupdate sistem komputer di perusahaan kami sehingga dengan demikian periode saat-saat sepi begini, sepi order begini ya, sepi ini digunakan untuk menyelesaikan proses update tersebut. Wah, bagus tuh buat kalian ya. Oh, ini sudah jam 10.30 nih. Ah, kayaknya waktu istirahatnya sudah selesai. Kemudian Tom berkata, topik sesi berikutnya adalah bagaimana membuat ya, positive impression, kesan yang positif terhadap orang lain, dan bagaimana how to make positive impression on others. Bagaimana membuat kesan yang positif terhadap orang lain, and gain visibility dan gain menerima, menimbulkan pengaruh dan juga maksudnya pengaruh dan visibility itu diperhatikan. Oke, bagaimana kita bisa menimbulkan pengaruh dan terlihat di tempat kerja. Oke, sepertinya menarik ya ini topik berikutnya ini. Kemudian kita tidak boleh ini jangan sampai terlewatkan. Ayo kita kembali ke tempat duduk kita sehingga kita bisa belajar memberikan yang sehingga belajar hal tersebut sehingga kita dapat memberikan bring out the best in ourselves sehingga kita dapat melatih diri kita menjadi lebih baik dan juga demikian pula dengan pegawai kita. Okay. Alright, so that's the what do you call the quick translation. Okay, the quick translation for the conversation above. Okay. Let me see. So let's do the role plays, guys. Role plays. Okay. I need 8 volunteers to do the role plays, okay? I think the conversation is quite short, but in each dialogue, like consists of like 2 to 3 sentences. So just focus on the pronunciation, okay, not on the speed. So that way you can pronounce it correctly, okay? Remember the S on the plurals and also the present tense verbs, okay? All right. I need 8 volunteers, okay? All right, let's see. I'll have Miss Fanny taking care Tom's number 1 until number 4. Okay, Tom's dialects are numbered in blue, okay? So Tom's number 1 until number 4 taken care by Miss Fanny. And then Anna, number 1 until number 3 is taken care by Jennifer. And Tom's number 5 until number 7 taken care by Mr. Amin. And then Miss Lily will do Anna number 4 until number 6. And then I have Yuki taking care of Tom's number 8 until number 10. Meanwhile, Miss Fu will take care of Anna number 7 until number 9. And then I have 2 more available. Let's wait for 2. Okay. So I have 2 more spots available. Okay. Let's wait and for the rest of the class, like I'll give them like 2 until 7:25. Okay, meanwhile, let me see okay. Okay. Okay, so let me okay, I'm gonna pronounce all the one highlighted. Okay, the highlighted phrases. Okay, listen to it. Okay, strike a conversation, break time, delivers good seminars, well known, knowledgeable in the subject matter, tons of information, how to deal with employees, sign up. I am very interested in the subject of leadership, promoted to the position of supervisor, manage a staff of 10 people. It is the reason why I am here today. Pulling my hair out, create harmony and cooperation, workload, run out of time, free time, business trip, specialize in repairing computers affected by the slowing economy, should pick up, keep their minds sharp, sitting idle, get back to our seats, bring out the best. All right, so new voices will be excited, guys. Okay, so what you need to do, just raise your hands. I'll assign the dialogue to you guys. Okay, that way you can learn how to pronounce it. And then we have a little review if there is any correction that you need to do. Okay. One more minute. Okay. Okay. So since nobody else interested, okay, I'll have Miss Fanny taking care of Anna
Good
10
evening, Miss.
and good evening, Miss Fanny. How you doing?
I'm very well.
Very good to hear that. Okay. So I'll have Miss Fanny also doing Anna number 10 until 11. And then Mr. Amir will take care of Tom's number 11 and 12. Okay. All right, there you go.
Hello, good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Mr. Amin.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. Good evening, Jane. How you doing?
I'm fine today.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Miss Lily. Right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, are you doing okay?
Yes, Miss. Okay, thank you.
Okay, very nice to hear that. Hopefully, you guys are doing great.
Hello, Miss
Excellent.
Susan.
Who's that? Miss Wu. Okay, happy Chinese New Year to everybody who celebrated. Okay,
Yeah,
Kongsi,
celebrated
kongsi.
Chinese
Merry
Kongsi.
Christmas.
Kongsi
Bye.
Kongsi,
Patai.
Kongsi
kongsi.
Fa Chai. Okay. Okay, so anyway, you guys already know your parts. Okay, so times is yours. Remember, like I said, the dialogue of it's kind of like long. There are like more than two sentences in each dialogue, so just focus on the pronunciation and intonation. Okay, so that way no need to rush. Okay, times is yours. You may start with Miss Penny.
Yes, Miss. Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm
This is a pretty good seminar so far. Oh,
yes, I like it. Granted, hall for good seminars. All of its speakers are very well known and also very knowledgeable in the subject matter. Did you attend this seminar on leadership Long Beach last January?
no, I missed that one. Who was the speaker?
John Miller. He is the author of the 7 Habits of a Good Leader. It was a great seminar. John gave us tons of information on how to deal with employees. You should sign up for that seminar next year.
I will. I am very interested in the subject of leadership. I was promoted to the position of supervisor a few months ago, and I have to manage a staff of 10 people. I can be quite a difficult situation sometimes. It is the reason why I am here today.
Same here. I only have 7 people reporting to me. Yet, sometimes I feel like pulling my hair out. I need to find a way to create harmony and cooperation within my department.
I also need to learn how to better manage my workload. I always run of time. It seems like the days are getting shorter and shorter.
You need to sign up for the Learn How to Delegate seminar. It is coming next month.
It's me.
Yes, Tom
Or
says.
let's see whether I will have any free time next month. I know sometime next month I will have to go to Texas on a business trip.
By the way, what is your company doing?
Still Mr. Amin.
It's me. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, we produce office equipment, such as calculator and fax machine. How about yours?
We are in the service business. We specialize in repairing computers.
Business lately?
It is pretty slow right now. Just like any other company, we are quite affected by the slowing economy.
Business is slow with my company too. However, people are saying that it should pick up anytime now.
Let's hope so. We need to keep our employees busy.
I have some very talented employees, and I would like to keep their minds sharp. They tend to be bored when things slow down, and that is not good.
Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. The days seems so long.
I had those types of days. Luckily, it is not that bad. It's our company. Besides, we are in the process of updating of our computer system, and we can use distro value and to finish the process.
Good for you. Oh, 10:30 a.m. already. I guess our break time is over.
The topic of the next section: how to make positive impression on others and gain visibility and influence in the workplace. Seems to be really interesting. We better not miss any part of it. Let's get back to our seat so that we can learn how to bring our the best in ourselves as well as your employees.
All right. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's have a little review. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Okay, let's check it out. Only a little, guys. Very good for our first meeting of this chapter. All right, guys. This. Always remember, guys. Okay, this is the common. This is really common mistakes in our country. Okay, it's 10:30 a.m. Okay, this is ABC a.m. instead of em. Okay, everybody. Okay, like 99% people will say it's 10 em. No. Yes, they said 10 em. It's actually 10 am. This is ABC am. Okay, no I. Kalau I itu adalah ini ya. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia huruf huruf E-nya itu yang dilafalkan I. Okay, this is AA ya. Kalau A dalam bahasa Indonesia, dalam bahasa Inggris kan kita we pronounce it as A, okay? So it's 10:30 a.m. Okay, remember that, guys. Okay, this is really crucial. Okay, 10 a.m. and then okay, check it out on ENA number 10. ENA number 10, frustrating. Frustrating. Okay. Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do. Frustrating. Okay. Membuat stres, membuat frustasi gitu ya. Okay. Next, specialize. ENA number 7. Let's check it out. We specialize. Oke, kami berkecimpung, oke, maksudnya berkecimpung dalam bidang perbaikan komputer, oke, specialized, alright, then okay. Pretty, okay guys, this, okay, we already do this a lot of time in a lot of chapters, okay, the word pretty, that's Tom's number 2. Okay, this is pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay, all right, the word is pretty, not pretty, okay, there's no, she's not pretty, okay, there is no such pronunciation of that pretty, okay, so it's pretty here is a different meaning. We could be have different meaning, depends on the context of the sentences. Okay, this in this sentence, the pretty is very, okay, could be pretty the looking, okay, the good looking, okay. Jadi pretty itu mempunyai beberapa makna tergantung dari kalimat. Dari kalimat yang ini berarti very, okay, same with similar to very good seminar so far, okay. Nah, kemudian ada juga yang pretty untuk yang menunjukkan bagaimana cantik, bagus, rupawan, okay, that could be pretty also, okay. But the pronunciation stay the same, okay. It's pretty. Now the T is silent, no pretty, no. In English, the T is most of the T are quite silent, okay. Like what is the author, okay, author, okay, and then what is it? I saw a couple of them, okay. So anyway, the T, most of them are let me see. Jadi banyak ya pengucapan T itu dalam bahasa Inggrisnya itu dia tidak harus T-nya itu harus kentara gitu ya. Seperti sitting, okay, sitting, okay, we don't have to say sitting, okay, now it's gonna be sitting, okay, so the T jadi T itu seperti kedengarannya seperti D gitu loh. Nah, sitting, okay. Frustrating. You hear that? Frustrating. There is no frustrating. Okay, no. Jadi T-nya itu cenderung kedengaran seperti D. Okay, saat kita melafalkannya ya. Okay, let me have Miss Fanny, huh? Let's have Miss Fanny try first, okay, to correct how to pronounce that. That way she remember next time. All right, Miss Fanny, let's try Anna number 11. It's 10:30 a.m.
Good for you. Oh, 10:30 a.m. already. I guess our break time is over.
Okay, this is break, no break, okay? Break time.
Break time.
Yes. So always remember, please, this is AM or PM, okay? This is also, yes, also for the rest of the class, okay? Remember that, okay? Now let's move on to Anna number 10 here. The word is frustrating.
Yes, nothing is more frustrating than sitting idle with nothing to do.
Okay, so when you pronounce the T, you don't have to be like a hard T like that, okay? Jadi saat pelafalan yang ini frustrating, okay? Nah, T-nya itu jadi kita kalau saat mengucapkan itu T-nya itu kita ganti pakai D gitu. Frustrating, sitting. Okay, let's try the word frustrating.
Frustrating.
Yes. Sitting.
Frustrating.
Frustrating. Sitting.
Shading.
Yes, very good. Yes, that's actually perfect. Okay, so when you talk to the what do you call the foreigners, they're gonna sound like that. Okay, exactly the DDD like that, not TT. Okay,
Berarti T-nya dibaca D.
Yes, you're gonna say frustrating. Okay, you never gonna hear. Okay, it's just try on the TV, the movie. There is no frustrating. You're never gonna hear that saying it. That's gonna be frustrating. Okay, especially when they talk more, a lot of sentences. It's gonna be like sounds like that. But not the time. Okay, not the T in the middle and the front. Okay, that's when the
Yes.
T and the what do you call it, biasanya yang di bagian-bagian tengah begitu ya. Jadi tidak semua T akan dilafalkan seperti D ya. In this case we have the frustrating and then sitting, okay. Nah, itu kan T-nya kayak seperti di bagian tengah ya. Okay, so not like this. Time, no, there time is still T, okay, not dime, okay. So as you learn more, as you watch the words, you'll understand which part, okay, that have to be turned into D. Like this, you pretty. Okay, now the T is right in the middle, right? So there is no.
Pretty.
Yes, very good. Okay, so there is no pretty. Okay, no pretty. Okay, no. That's going to be pretty. Okay, this is a pretty good seminar so far, huh? Okay, that's the T. Same like the seating, right? So seating. Okay, so that's how we pronounce it. Okay, very good. Okay, any question, Miss Fanny?
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Remember that next week, okay? All right, let's move on to the other one is specialized. Specialized. Let's check where's the specialized on ENA number 7. Well, I have to emphasize all this since this is a conversation class. You guys need to pronounce it correctly. Okay, Miss Fu. Miss Fu. Where's Miss Fu? Miss Fu. Miss Fu. Okay, there she is. All right.
Yes,
All right,
Miss
Miss
Amy.
Fu. Repeat after me for ENA number 7. Specialize.
Specialize.
Very good. We specialize in repairing computers.
We specialize in repairing computers.
All right, see here. Right here, computers, there's no computers, okay? Now, so in English, itu T-nya, jadi kita baca seperti D kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, is computers.
Computer.
Yes, this is plural. Jadi ada ini jamak lebih dari satu pakai S ya. Computers.
Computers.
Still, computers. D.
Computers.
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 Yes, almost. Okay, so yes, jadi kebanyakan kalau yang D di bagian tengah atau dia hampir di belakang-belakang begini, nanti itu bacanya kita pronounce-nya D ya. Computers.
Computers.
Very good. Yes, almost there. Okay, so remember that. Okay. Okay. You have any other question, Miss Wu?
No, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Very good, guys. Okay, now let's move on. Okay. For the expression, okay, will be sent to the class this week, okay, as along with the grammars for this chapter and then all the exercises. Okay, so now let's move on to this question and answer practices. How you gonna learn replying to greetings and all those questions. All right, so we have this. Let's do this again. Okay, do 1 to 12, 12, 24. Okay, so let's see. Okay, volunteers to do this. Danny, all right, I see Danny here. Perfect. Okay, Danny, I'll have you do the greetings and greetings number 1 and number 2 as well with the answer number 3 and 4. Okay. Meanwhile, Miss Lily, you are doing answer number 1 and 2 and question number 3 and 4. Okay, you guys is gonna be crisscross. Okay, Miss Lily and Danny. Okay, next. Okay, so question number 5 and greetings number 6. Okay, will be done by Miss Fu as well. The answer number 6 and 7. Okay, put note, guys. Okay, so let me repeat again. Okay, before you put a note, guys. Okay, greeting number 1 and 2. Answer number 3 and 4 will be done by Danny. Meanwhile, Miss Lily doing answer number 1 and 2, question number 3 and 4. Miss Fu will take care of question number 5, greeting number 6, answer number 7 and 8. Okay. Let me see. And now 3. Okay. Mr. Amin, take care of answer number 5, 6. Greeting 7, question 8. Okay, Mr. Amin, greeting 7, question 8, answer 5, 6. Okay. These are short one, guys. You may raise your hands, okay? Okay. Okay, I have one set here. I need 2 more. All right, Yuki there. I see Yuki. Yuki, you take care question number 9 and 10, answer 11, 12. Who's going to pair up with Yuki? You may raise your hands, okay? Yuki will take care of question 9, 8, answer 11, 12. I need 1 more. Oh, Miss Lily already. Miss Lily, Miss Danny. Oh, Miss Fanny. Miss Fanny will take care answer number 9, 10, question 11, 12 with Yuki pair up. All right, let's do this. Okay, allow me to unmute you guys.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me unmute Danny. Danny will pair up with Miss Fu. Okay. All right, guys, you remember your parts? I hope so, okay? Because I don't have the note on it, okay? Times is yours. You may start with Danny and Miss Fu.
Saya baca yang number 1 ya, Miss.
Yes, greeting number 1 and 2, and then answer number 3 and 4.
Okay.
So I get ahead.
Hello, I'm Peter.
Hi, I'm Jane.
Good morning, Jen.
Good morning, John.
Let me
How
see.
are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Are you from Vietnam?
No, I'm from America.
Where are you from?
I'm from France.
Bye, Jennifer.
See you later, Tom. Nice meeting you, Peter.
Same here, Jane.
Is the president of ABC company.
No, he is the engineering director.
Are you here for the seminar?
Yes, I'm here for the seminar.
Where do they hold the management seminar?
The management seminar is right next door. How was the seminar?
Oh, it was very informative.
Where did you sign up for this seminar?
I go to this seminar to improve my management skill.
All right, guys. Okay, let's see. This I need you to have you guys this and then this word here. Okay. All right, guys. So this. Okay. No, I'm from America. Okay. So America. How do I? Let's hear. Let's hear from who was that earlier? One, two, three. Was it Danny? Danny. No, I'm from America. Okay.
Yes. No,
Ah,
I'm from America.
America. America.
America.
Yeah, so the A on the front is ini A yang di depan kita baca America. Okay.
America.
Yes, very good. Yes, America. All right. But most of the time, you know that when you talk to the people from America, they're gonna say, "Oh, I'm from U.S." Okay. Instead of really rare, people will say America or I'm from US like that. Okay. So, but just remember, guys, this is we pronounce this word as America. Okay. It's A. It's capital A. No. Okay. It's A B C. Okay. Remember. Okay. So like AM like that. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Danny. Now let's move on to this word. Okay, management. Okay, no management. Okay, it's manage. Okay, the word, remember, this word contains of manage. Okay, manage is the verb. Since this is a noun, so we add the management. Okay, so ini management here adalah kata benda ya. Okay, so untuk kata kerjanya manage. Okay, so we just add an ment. Okay, so it's not management. Okay, it's management. All right, management seminar. Okay, that's how we pronounce it. Okay. Okay. Who's that? Yuki and
Yeah.
Yuki. Yes.
There.
Oh, okay. Yuki's still here. Okay, perfect. So repeat after me, Yuki. Seminar.
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 Now the R is a half heart. Okay. Jadi kentarannya setengah ya kalau R-nya ya. Jangan R kayak kalau bahasa Indonesia R-nya kan kentara banget ya. Kalau bahasa Inggris, yes, this is agak kentara tapi setengah gitu ya. Seminar.
Seminar. Seminar.
Seminar.
Seminar.
Yes, okay. Management seminar.
Management seminar.
Management.
Management.
Very good. Seminar.
Seminar.
Perfect. Okay, just remember that.
Seminar.
Okay, excellent. All right. So now I need have Miss Fanny, huh? Where is Miss Fanny? Give me one second. Miss Fanny. Miss Fanny. Okay, there she is. All right, Miss Fanny, repeat after me.
Yes,
Seminar.
Miss. Seminar.
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 Okay, yes. Sometimes in bahasa kita kalau mengucapkan itu huruf-hurufnya itu betul-betul kayaknya harus kedengeran banget ya. But in
Seminar.
English is like seperti antara apa namanya antara alfabetnya itu seperti kayak blended in like
Mengambang.
that. Seperti kayak blended gitu. Jadi kayaknya tergabung gitu kalau saat kita ngomong ya. Jadi rada kalau yang kayak tadi kalau T jadinya kedengarannya D begitu ya. So this is
Seminar.
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 Okay. Management.
Management.
Very good. Management. Management seminar.
Management seminar.
All right, very good. That's close. Okay. So just keep on practicing. That way the tongue is gonna get used to that. Okay. That's how we get it perfect, you know. All right, perfect. Any question, Miss Miss Winnie?
No, Miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, perfect, guys. Okay, so that's for the question and answer practices. Okay, and then let me see. Okay, I'm going to what do you call translate this really quick. Okay, for the expression, but the details of the the details of this translation and then what's the meaning of these idioms and all these phrases will be sent in the PDF. Okay, so as along with the example in the sentence how you use these phrases and idioms. Okay, so today I'm going to translate it in Indonesian. Okay, so all these expressions are found in the conversation above. Okay, so let's just hear that. All the highlighted are all those expressions. All right, so let's see. I'm going to try to translate. Oke, strike a conversation, memulai suatu percakapan during break time. Oke, break time itu saat istirahat ya, biasanya bila saat coffee break. Sometimes people ngomongnya coffee break. Oke, break time. Nah, itu istirahat gitu, oke. Nah, kemudian delivers good seminars, maksudnya itu mengadakan seminar, oke. Jadi kata delivers ini dia bukan hanya untuk delivery seperti mengantar gitu ya, tapi juga terkadang dalam konteks kalimat tertentu kita bisa menggunakan kata delivers also. Seperti kata takes and then gets, itu jadi tergantung dari penggunaan objeknya itu kita bisa menggunakan beberapa kata yang mirip-mirip gitu, yang mempunyai makna dalam kalimat. Maknanya akan berbeda dalam kalimatnya itu. Oke, seperti here delivers good seminar. Kita kan bukan mengantar ya, bukan mengantarkan seminar, tapi berarti di sini atau mengadakan seminar. Oke, well known itu mungkin seperti terkenal. Oke, famous. Oke, populer. Nah, knowledgeable in the subject matter. Nah, ini seperti lagi ini double T ya. Kita saat pronunciation-nya itu seperti D nanti ya. Matter. Oke. Nah, knowledgeable in the subject matter itu maksudnya dia sangat pengetahuannya itu banyak tentang materi tersebut. Oke. Tons of information, banyak informasi, how to deal with, bagaimana menangani, oke, menangani pegawai ya. Sign up, mendaftar. Oke. I'm very interested in, saya sangat tertarik dengan tentang subjek saya sangat tertarik dengan tentang kepemimpinan. Okay, promoted to the position of supervisor. Okay, naik jabatan. Okay, dia sudah naik jabatan menjadi supervisor. Okay, manage staff of 10 people. Okay, bagaimana membawahi, have to manage staff of 10 people. Jadi dia itu sebagai kepala, kemudian dia membawahi staff sebanyak 10 orang. Okay, it is the reason why I'm here today. Nah, inilah alasan mengapa saya hadir saat ini. Nah, I'm here today karena dia hadir dalam seminar ini ya. Pulling my hair out, okay. Ini adalah suatu idiom yang idiom bahasa Indonesia ya, seperti suatu kiasan, kata kiasan yang artinya adalah stress, oke, kemudian create harmony and cooperation within my department, menciptakan keharmonisan dan suasana saling kerjasama. Kemudian workload itu maksudnya workload itu bagaimana dia bahasa Indonesianya ya. Workload itu jadi dia beban kerjanya ya. Jadi kerjanya itu misalnya dia dikasih project ini, itu the workload-nya, oke. Kemudian run out of times itu maksudnya kehabisan waktu ya. Waktunya tidak cukup begitu. Oke, jadi dia tidak bisa menyelesaikannya tepat waktu, itu maksudnya. Dalam kalimat tersebut berarti begitu, oke. Free time maksudnya waktunya waktu luang ya, waktu luang. Kemudian bisnis ini perjalanan bisnis ya, keluar kota. Office equipment adalah perlengkapan untuk kantor. Specialized in dia apa ya? Specialized in maksudnya dia itu berkecimpung, oke, dia berkecimpung, kemudian dia berkecimpung, dia spesialisasinya, oke, dia perusahaannya itu berspesialisasi di bidang itu, oke, bidang perbaikan komputer. Kemudian affected by, ini terpengaruh juga ya, terpengaruh oleh, should pick up. Nah, dalam bahasa dalam should pick up ini dalam kalimat ini mempunyai arti berbeda bila bisa berbeda-beda ya. Should pick up ini pick up the trash, okay. Nah, di sini juga ada kata pick up, should pick up, okay. Ini talking about the business, okay. Artinya berbeda bila the father pick up the daughter from the school, okay. Nanti jadi maknanya berbeda-beda tergantung dari konteks kalimatnya. Dalam konteks kalimat conversation yang ini berarti however people are saying that it should pick up anytime now, okay. Maksudnya itu perekonomiannya itu menjadi lebih baik gitu loh, oke. Banyak-banyak order, banyak sales gitu loh. Maksudnya pendapatannya meningkat gitu loh. Keep their mind sharp maksudnya itu biar dia itu tetap menggunakan pemikirannya, brainnya itu digunakan sehingga dia itu tetap bisa berinovasi gitu loh maksudnya, oke. And then sitting idle means jadi artinya itu jadi dia tuh duduk diam aja tidak mengerjakan apa-apa gitu loh. Ya itu nothing is more frustrating ya, itu jadi betul duduk diam aja tidak mengerjakan apa-apa adalah sesuatu yang membuat kita stres. And then let's get back to our seats. Ayo kita balik lagi ke tempat. Ayo kita duduk kembali begitu kira-kira ya. Bring out the best. Bring out the best in ourselves as well as our employees. Berusaha yang terbaik. Learn how to berusaha untuk bring out, menggali yang terbaik dalam diri kita juga pegawai kita. Oke. Oke, itu artinya dalam bahasa Indonesia, oke. Oke, so 1 second. Oke, So that's it for today. Okay, so hopefully you guys remember everything here. Okay, and then we'll review again next week with continuing with the rest of the let me see. We'll do the comprehension test tomorrow next week. Okay, so try to do it on your own first. That way you can test yourself how much you understanding of the conversation. All right, guys. All right, guys. Thank you for joining the class tonight. Hopefully it's beneficial to you guys. Okay. And then you guys get the most of this class for today. All right. I'll see you guys next week. Okay. Until then, stay healthy, be safe, and then
Thank
be
you,
happy.
Miss.
Thank
See
you,
Positive.
Miss
you
Susan.
You,
See you next
Miss.
week.
next week.
Guys.
Bye.
See you
Bye,
next week.
Thank you, Miss
guys. Have a
Susan.
great
See you next week.
week.